Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you two simple ways to insert the degree symbol in Excel. Click on the cell where you want to insert the symbol, go to the Insert tab, and click Symbol. In the Symbol window, set the font to normal text, and select Latin 1 Supplement in the subset drop-down. Find and click the degree symbol. Then click Insert and Close. Once you have the degree symbol, you can simply type C or F next to it for Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you prefer formulas, you can use the CHAR function to insert a degree symbol dynamically. You can also combine it with numbers. For example, if you want to display 25 degrees Celsius, use this formula. This formula combines the number, the degree symbol, and the unit into one cell. And that's it! Two simple ways to insert the degree symbol in Excel, using the Symbols tab and the CHAR function. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips.